Took a little while, but I finally went and I picked up a fire pit kit over at one of the big blue box store. They had it on sale and comes with the bricks and the ring. So what I've done here is laid it out just to kind of get a feel for placement. Let me just zoom out a bit so you can see. I've got the 6 chairs around it. I've got room for a 7th chair. I think that should be nice and comfy, good distance. You can also back the chairs up if things get a little toasty. Yeah, the RAV4 was not overly thrilled on the ride home. I was exceeding the weight limit a little bit when I include myself in there, so I probably should have taken the van, but it was a little too late, so don't always do what I do. And of course it's raining, but you know what? I'm not going to let a little rain stop progress. I've got some time in my schedule, so I'm going to get to work. Time to move these blocks into position, build the ring, and make it look like a fire pit. Using the ring as a template, place the first row of blocks. I purposely left them a bit loose in order to allow air to be drawn in between them to help provide a draft for the fire. After removing the ring, place the remaining 2 rows, staggering the blocks so the seams between the rows are offset. Adjust them as needed to ensure they are aligned with the row below. After placing the final row, install the ring and snug the top row against it to help secure the ring in place. After doing some research on safe materials to use in a fire pit, I settled on more of the Stony Creek granite pieces. Granite is one of those dense rocks that has minimal chance of absorbing water, thus reducing the risk of it exploding when exposed to the heat of a fire. Plus, it looks nice and ties the fire pit into the other parts of the patio. One nice thing about this fire pit over the bowl is the ability to build a larger fire more akin to an actual campfire. The credit here goes to the Girl Scout who was certified in fire building techniques. Time to go get the marshmallows. This is Bar 64 Guy. Thanks for watching.